Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this, I got two beautiful pouches here with me. I'm gonna share the content that it's inside with you in a second. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff that I'm going to show you, because it's pretty cool, I think. These are two sizes, of course, because we got a small one and a big one. This is garage build gear, and this is more like a generic pouch, which I found to be a little bit more suited for what I like to carry around, because it's mainly a little knife, you know, a small knife. And I found this one to be a little bit smaller, so this is going to be more like for EDC related stuff. I just like to stuff it with fidget toys, because this is what I like, but you can do whatever you want. So let's quickly check the size first. So this is a Mighty Pouch Plus, and it has like a larger velcroed area than the previous one, and this one has an even larger areas for patches. In fact, you can see how many you can just use on that. So it's going to be, you see, kind of like 4 inches, the patch area, by 3, and the overall pouch is going to be around 5.2 by around 4. This guy is going to be a little bit, see, around a little bit less than 4, so a little bit thinner, by 6, with a almost similar, like probably like, look at this, 3.5 by 5 velcroed area. That's why you can stuff much more items and much more patches. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You can just pick the one you like and just here close up on those. So let's check them out, guys. So what's inside of the small one? Let's just put this right over here. A nice zip, really heavy duty. All right, so here we got AC EDC. It's a slider, Zirk matte. This is the gamer, and it's a slider, and it's a clicker, and it's fantastic. So that's one beautiful toy. Here I like to carry like this in this nice and soft pouch, the Commander, also Zirk. This is the grenade. You can just disassemble completely. This is a great spinner. It's a little bit heavy, very quiet, and it's of course a clicker. Really cool. Let's do like this. Also going around, look at that. This is pretty cool. This is the Chenyu Battle Shield slider, and this case also we have Zirk and brass core. Pretty amazing feel, great sound. It's yeah, it's one of my favorite sliders. And next to that, of course, Lao T. This is the King in Zirk and stainless steel. It's also, of course, a slider, but also a pretty cool clicker right there. And on this side is done. You can have your thaler from 1780, like your lucky coin, right over here. In this case, yeah, this is just like something pretty old, like 1780, chunk of silver. And AC EDC Milkia, of course, another great combo, multi-fidget. See, it's just like a slider, like in this direction, of course. Amazing haptic coin, and also rotates. A very slight clicker, but mainly beautiful haptic, great sounds, and also one of the best sliders on the market. And that is it, pretty much. This is the content you can store, which is not you know, it's not I mean, these are like what, like 6 items. Let's put them like right over here. And here, of course, this is going to be bigger, so it's going to be stuffing more items, but as you can notice, it doesn't open like 180 degrees like this one. So this has like a completely accessible content, which of course has to be kind of like secured to the sides. Otherwise, when you open, you're just gonna have things flying around. Whereas this one is just more like, you see, like that. So it just opens up to this point, so there's no risk, but there's less accessibility, of course. So you have just to open like that and just take it outside for take stuff outside. So for example, here you have the Go Bigger pill bag in zirc polished, which is one of my favorite spinners right there. Then of course this another great slider. This is the Onewo Studio Camera M, also zirc, great clicker and slider. Fantastic. Also this clicks. This is 99 made of these. And also look at this little thing. Of course, this is the Mackie, the CP Nano, another cool slider. And of course, how can you not bring along your Onewo Studio Bulletproof Shield? In this case, we got a this is like a full custom Zircutai FB, of course, made one-off. Just look at the detail of these colors. And in this case, I've got like a Teflon sticker, so yeah, there's no risk. You can't scratch it or mess it up. What else do we have? Of course, a nice Lauti Zirca die, sorry, and that's the 6. And it's pretty cool. It's also like a necklace. You just pop this, where is it? Right over here. See, pop this from this side and you can pass like a necklace. And yeah, that's pretty cool. And then I've got pretty cool Chris Reeve knives. Nandi. This is a Blade HQ exclusive carbon fiber inlays and basket weave Damascus steel. Yeah, it's a gorgeous, lovely EDC carry. And then also, oh, yes, like a little wand right over here that you can use and attach it to the pill bag, like very easily. Like remove this piece right there and just stick this piece right over here. And there you go. See, you have a pretty cool wand attached to your pill bag, which you can just leave it on the table and just let it go. And also, like here, I'm also packing a pretty cool pouch, magnetic, for this amazing Shirogorov Custom Division Neon NL with also carbon fiber inlays. It's a very very cool knife indeed. And what else? Oh yeah, just a challenge coin right over there, so you get to see everything like in one shot. And this is, yeah, just a challenge coin if you want to just toss it and challenge your friend to anything you want. So I guess this is like what you can pack in couple pouches, and it's a beautiful thing. And it's a lot of items. Like, look at that. So that's a lot of weight to carry around or in the pockets. And if you have these pouches right over here and a little bit of these kind of things, you're going to be fine. You're not going to scratch anything, and you're going to have all your little items, your EDC toys, fidget toys, knives, even like pry bar, lights. I'm more like a knife and fidget toy guy, and that's why I just like to carry these kind of items. But of course, you know, anything can go into these very useful pouches. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.